What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the video. If you're new here, please subscribe, please. Um, we're gonna be testing out a fragrance because you already know the fragrance king is here. Okay. Mm, please, guys, please subscribe, like, hit the notification bells if you want to be notified, and please. I want to reach like 100, no, 50 subscribers first. 50. At least 50, guys, please. Please, at least 50. So, I've been looking at this fragrance and talking about it. And this fragrance, I I was just wondering, how does it smell like? I wondered, how does it smell? So I bought it. It's the Invicto incense. The Invicto incense. This it it has a really nice bottle that's smooth. It has that smoothness here. You see that curve? You see this curve? Yeah, I like it. It's kind of like a shoulder. But I like it. This I like it, kind of like this thing, but it loses it makes the fragrance lose interest. And yeah, I don't like the I don't I don't like the part that goes in, like that goes in here, that goes in like shh, shh. Okay, okay, let's test this fragrance out. Let's smell and speak with our words in our mouth. Okay. The bottle cap has really heavy weight. Mm, but mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, let's test out the atomizer. It okay. Okay. I get it. Look, 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 look. Yeah. Oh yeah. Bro. Mm-hmm. I like this. Mm-hmm. What? I'm speechless. Okay, let's spray the atomizer and test it out. Mm, it's kind of dry, but not that kind of dry. Like like dry. It is dry, but not that dry. It's sweet. It's it's I'm not talking about like sugar. I'm talking about cherry sweet. You know what I'm talking about, cherry. Yeah, it smells like cherry. Like the cherry. It has that cherry kind of smell, and it it kind of pulls my nose. It's like it's like tight, like that. It's that strawberry too. Um, like this thing is kind of like this has a similar smell than like the 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 Satan oud. The Satan oud has a similar smell than this because this one is are a lot stronger than not than the Satan oud. It's a lot stronger than what do you call the the absolute magnificence, and yeah, I kind of like this. Mm. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Turn on the notification bells. This fragrance can be weared by men and women. And you guys, thanks for watching. Peace to the fragrance king. Peace. Bye bye.